Welcome to the channel. I'm Jay Malone. There are a lot of questions about registering your drone. Should I register my drone? Where do I register my drone? And what type of registration should I choose? We're going to try to answer those today. If this is your first time to the channel and you enjoy photography, drones, technology, and other related things, then start off by hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. This video will pertain to rules and regulations here in the United States as of today, January 30th, 2018. Question number 1, should I register? If your drone is between 0.55 pounds, a half of a pound, and 55 pounds, and you plan to fly it anywhere outdoors, then yes, you are required to register with the FAA. In 2017, a court ruled that registration was no longer required, but that was recently overturned. Of course, that could change, but as of right now, you're once again required to register your drone. Be sure to check out my other video that goes more in depth about what you should do once you get a drone. You can see that video by clicking in that link in the top right hand corner of this video. Question number 2, where do I register? FAA registration should be done at FAAdronezone.faa.gov. The registration only costs $5, so don't be fooled by other websites trying to charge you more. Before we get to the next question, leave me a comment down below. What kind of drone do you have? Or what kind are you looking to purchase? Question number 3, what type of registration should I choose? There are 2 ways that you can register your drone. If you are only flying as a hobby and you never plan to do any commercial work with your drone, then click on the section that says Fly Model Aircraft under Section 336. If you are flying as a business or any other type of commercial use, then click on the section that says Fly sUAS under Part 107. To learn more about flying as a hobbyist or flying under Part 107 rules, check out that video. And be sure to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.